Hello, welcome to the demo of how to use the Open API generator for ABAP SDK for Google Cloud. This is going to be a technical demo using which you can learn the step-by-step approach to use this tool. Let me provide you a scenario. You have a custom API or a private API hosted on Google Cloud. You want to consume this API within your SAP system for your business use case. The API is defined using Open API specification. Now, let's see how we can generate ABAP clients, as in the ABAP classes required to consume this API. These ABAP classes are also compatible with ABAP SDK for Google Cloud. To begin, the only prerequisite you need to have is a Google Cloud account. We are going to use Google Cloud Shell, which is a developer ready environment. Comes with all the dependencies pre-installed. Now let's go to our Google Cloud project and open Cloud Shell. It just takes a few seconds to provision a Cloud Shell instance. Let's quickly create a directory to store all our work. Here I am naming the directory as demo-os-gen. Let's shift to this directory now. Now let's switch back to GitHub repository for OpenAPI generator for ABAP SDK and follow the step-by-step instructions present in the README file. The first step is to make a directory with the name OpenAPI-ABAP-gen. We can copy this command and execute it on our Cloud Shell CLI. Next, let's move into the newly created directory. We now need to install the Open API generator. Let's simply copy this command and execute it on the Cloud Shell CLI. Next, we need to download the installation script on our Cloud Shell. Let's copy and paste the following command. Installation script is now downloaded. Let's provide execution permission to the installation script. Once this is done, let's execute the installation script. This sets up your Cloud Shell to execute the ABAP client generator. The generator is now successfully set up on your Cloud Shell. Now, let's provide execution permission to a few helper scripts that we will need to use later. Here I have created a local file on my Cloud Shell and copied the OpenAPI specification into it. Now let's execute the OpenAPI generator for ABAP SDK for the OpenAPI specification file that we have with us. This should hardly take a few seconds. Execution has started and it is completed as well. We can choose to download the generated code. This comes as a zip file. Let's extract this file to look at the contents. We have an interface and a class that is being generated. Interface contains the required types and class contains the method to call the APIs. Now let's go to our ABAP system and create a new interface. We can copy paste the generated code into the interface, format it and activate it. Next, let's create a ABAP class. We can now copy paste the generated code for the class, format it and activate it. So that's it. In this demo, we have shown how easy and quick it is to install OpenAPI Generator for our SDK for Google Cloud and start extending your SAP applications to use your custom APIs or private APIs hosted in your Google Cloud project. This lets you leverage the power of vast ecosystem of tools and products of Google Cloud to be directly and natively consumed at your ABAP application layer. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you get started.